breathe first. Don't speak one breath from you. Your breath, only you. That's enough to keep me here.